Ciao, sono Anna e questo è My Italian Circle. Il cuore, gli spaghetti, la casa, l'Italia. Today's grammar topic is definite articles. Exciting, isn't it? But what are definite articles exactly? In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about this very important element of the Italian language. And please take a moment to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Gli articoli determinativi. You use definite articles to refer to a specific thing or person. So, the car I bought is red. La macchina che ho comprato è rossa. The blue book is mine. Il libro blu è mio. In English, there is just one definite article, the. But in Italian, we have 7. Why so many? It's because the word that you use for the changes depending on whether you're talking about something that is plural or singular, something that is masculine or feminine. Definite articles have to agree in gender and number with the noun they refer to. That's it. To determine which is the correct article, you need to keep in mind 3 things. The gender of the noun, whether it's masculine or feminine. The number, whether it's singular or plural, 1 or more than 1. Finally, the first letter of the noun. Let's put all this into practice and see a few examples. We'll start with a masculine word, singular, libro. The standard definite article is il. Il libro, il cane, il mondo, il treno, il gatto. The plural form is i. I libri, i cani, i mondi, i treni, i gatti. But if the masculine noun begins with S plus consonant, GN, PN, PS, X, Y, Z, then the article changes into lo. Lo struzzo, lo psichiatra, lo xilofono, lo yogurt. And in this case, the plural form is gli. Gli struzzi, gli psichiatri, gli xilofoni, gli yogurt. Finally, if our masculine noun begins with a vowel, then the definite article changes into l. L'albero, l'esercizio, l'imbuto, l'orto, l'uomo. And the plural form is again gli. Gli alberi, gli esercizi, gli imbuti, gli orti, gli uomini.
Poi ci sono gli uomini di qua, le donne di là, e poi ci sono i soldati, ci danno tutti gli orari. È difficile, non è facile.
How to remember this? You can learn the rule, of course, but you can also pay attention to the sound. Some combinations sound wrong and awkward. Il struzzo is a bit hard to say, right? Lo struzzo sounds much better. Listen to a lot of Italian, and over time you will also be able to hear these differences. Now, some good news. When we have a feminine noun, things become much easier. The standard feminine article is la. La carta, la bicicletta, la gatta, la pizza, la torta. The plural form is le. Le carte, le biciclette, le gatte, le pizze, le torte. If the feminine noun begins with a vowel, then the article is l. L'amica, l'invidia, l'onda, l'urgenza. And the plural form is still le. Le amiche, le invidie, le onde, le urgenze. Let's summarize. When to use the definite article. The use of definite articles in Italian differs from English. We can say that generally in Italian we use definite articles more often than English. For example, when you make a general statement, the article is not used in English, but it's necessary in Italian. And in English you don't put the article before a possessive pronoun, but in Italian you do. For example, in English you don't say the my house, but in Italian you do, la mia casa. Let's see the details. We use the definite article before signore, signora and titles. La signora Verdi, il dottor Bianchi, but not when addressing someone in direct speech. Buongiorno, signor Rossi. No article. With languages, studio l'italiano. Mi piace lo spagnolo. With names of countries. La Francia è un bellissimo paese. But not with the preposition in. Vado spesso in Italia. With time. Che ore sono? Sono le 11. With dates. Il 2020. Il 15 giugno. When expressing possession, la tua casa è molto grande. And with abstract nouns or general statements, la vita è bella, i gatti sono adorabili. Now test yourself. I will say a noun and you have to choose the definite article for that noun. Ready? Go! Casa. La casa. Uovo. L'uovo. Muro. Il muro. Cani. I cani. Psicologo. Lo psicologo. Alba. L'alba. Bottiglie. Le bottiglie. If you want to know more about definite articles, go to our website where you can download our basic Italian grammar and a worksheet on definite articles. See the description below for the links. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and get in touch with us on Twitter. And remember, our new website is waiting for you. Ciao!